Aloha, this tutorial is for eLumen coordinators about running a report on mapping. So you can see in one document all the courses of your unit and how they are linked to program outcomes, PLOs, and institutional outcomes, ILOs. Remember to map each outcome to a couple of PLOs and a couple of ILOs, not to all of them or none of them, or always the same one. Log into honolulu.elumenapp.com. Ensure that your name, coordinator role, and unit are properly selected. Click on the Reports tab, Available Reports, and Map Report. Edit the title as you wish and select Course, All Courses, Show Individual CLO Mappings, Core ILOs, or your Unit PLOs, or your Certificate Degree PLOs. Excel or other formats that you prefer. And finally, Generate Report. The report will show up under the Report tab, Document Library. Select it, download it, open it, and then return to the beginning of this process. Rerun the report with a different set of outcomes, for example, core ILOs.